Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a quick demonstration of a multi-CD changer that I have for sale in my eBay store. So this is a Pioneer PD-Z82M CD multi-changer. I believe, yes, it's 6 CDs that can be changed with this, and this unit itself can't be plugged in on its own. This will need a stack unit, and I'm using a Pioneer DC282, as you can see there. Sorry, DCZ82 that I'm using. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this CD player working. Obviously it is quite an expensive unit, and the last thing you want to do is be purchasing this without knowing that it is fully working. So I have tested the CD player. I can safely say it is working. I've done numerous tests with all the disc trays, which I'll go through to show you guys that it's all working. But first of all, I think what we'll do is we'll show you how this all works. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through it. We're going to eject this. So the eject button on this unit. So actually, I'll go through the actual unit, what it looks like. So cosmetically, the unit isn't in the best of conditions on top. It has got a lot of wear. There's a lot of scuffs here and scratches on the back, and there are sort of wear and tear marks on the back of the unit. I'll turn it around. You've got your line output there, and you've got your power output, which needs, as I say, this is the power input. This ain't a 3-pin UK plug, so you will need this AC outlet to basically power the actual like CD unit. So this is that if you want to use a remote control as well, you will need to get a specialized lead for the remote control, which is the control in here and the control out here. And yeah, that's about it. So that's really the back of the unit. And yeah, I'm going to turn it back around again. So again, I'm going to now eject the actual CD tray, and this is a 6 CD tray. As you can see, I'm trying to do this one-handed, but when you insert the CDs, you've got to make sure that the obviously the back of the CDs are facing this way, and then yeah, and that is the basic functions of them. They're pretty easy to assemble. So I'm going to put that back in, and that goes obviously face up. I'll put it the right way myself. So it tells you on there a little description of which way the CDs go into, and that goes into there like so. Right, I've got this now playing through some hour speakers, and because of copyrights, I'm not going to stay on each track for too long, but I just wanted to give you a quick indication that it's all working. So let's press number 1, CD number 1. You got your CDs on here. You got CD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You've got a random, which is this button here, and then you just got all your other sort of basic functions, which are self-explanatory. So we're going to play track 1. So we're going to play that if it lets us. This was working. Right, there we go. Not too sure what happened there, but you know, I think it's just a glitch. So I'm going to turn this up. The so we're going to go to the next track. And so I'm not going to play through these because of copyright. Now the only thing it doesn't really tell you is what CD it's on, that I can see. As you can see, it does go through all them. So there's just 8 tracks on there. 9. And then so forth. So let's go to number 2 now.
What is love? Baby, don't.
As you can see, it's still working, so we're going to go track number 3. Sorry, CD number 3. And you know that's working, so now we're going to go CD number 4. Oh, sorry, I don't think there was a CD in number 4. I'll have to double check that. Don't know there's a CD in number 5 either. And it does tell you on here which track. So there's, I don't think in 4, 5 and 6 there's CDs. So let me double check that, and yeah, let's just double check that now, just to make sure. So yeah, so we got one, we've got a CD in. I should have done this before, it would have helped. So we've got one in 1, one in number 2, one in 3, and no CD in number 4, no CD in number 5, and no CD in number 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out a CD from number 1, and I'm going to move them all down. So let's go to number 4. Just move that there. Again, this probably is a boring bit for people to watch, but again, it's it just shows you that I am testing these, and you know, everything in my shop I do test. So whenever you purchase anything from me, you know, please, you know, be in the confidence that, you know, everything has been tested. And that's 3, and there's 4. Right, so that's going to go into number 6. And these CDs are a little bit scratched, and you can see that actually he's still playing the CDs pretty well. So I'm going to now place that back in. And now we're going to go track to CD number 4. Press all. It's just loading itself up, I think. That's why it is. It just, I think once you put it first in, it does take a little bit of time. It is old technology, and it just takes a little bit of time for itself to read, to configure that this has actually been put into the actual like player. And yeah, so we'll just give it about 30 seconds or so. There we go. Right. That's the track 1, track 2, 3, 5, and 6. Right, now we're going to go to CD number 5. Right, we're going to fast forward that so you know that that's working. Fast forward, and rewind's working. And there you go. So I'm going to go to number 2, track number 2. And it's going to go to a random, maybe track number 9. Right. And there you go. Right, so let's do number 6. Right, so CD 6 is working. So all the compartments, as you can see, are all working. And again,
What is love?
it does show you there,
Baby, don't
right here in the black, saying which CD it's on. I'm going to turn it down. Right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to press this button so show you that random's working. So it shows you, it goes straight to random. So now it's just switched over to tray 3, but there obviously isn't a disc in tray 3, so it isn't going to go to that one. So now it's going to go to CD number 5. It's going to randomise, and then it's gone to track 7. He's also got repeat on that, so if you wanted to just repeat that song, you can press repeat here. And yeah, that is basically the unit, all its functions. There are a couple more functions there, like program memory and mode, but you know, if everything else is working, the chances of them two not working are very, very small. So anyway, guys, I really do appreciate you checking the video. Again, if you are going to use a remote control for this, you are going to need to get the lead that goes into the back of it and into the main unit itself, the main power unit. But you know, this is a video just showing you a demonstration that it is working. So guys, thanks again for tuning in, thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. See you all later. Bye.